Hey guys, do you know that every human has many abilities inside his mind? Some people awaken their abilities, some people do not wake up them. Suppose you are weak inside mathematics and someone else is clever inside mathematics. Then it does not mean that he had learned mathematics before birth, but this means that he has tried harder and harder than you, and he knows more about things. Because of this, he is smarter than you. He has awakened the strength of his mind. A human being uses every part of his brain. If any part of the brain is damaged, then some problems start inside someone. Scientists have only been able to prove that a human being uses 100% of all of his parts of the brain. Here we are talking about those abilities, not the parts of the brain. Can't your mind learn a lot? How many things do you know? If you compare things learned and your learning abilities, you will be very involved. Just like you use a computer and it has a processor and RAM. Now, if you are asked what you have to store all types of data inside your computer and process them, if you talk about the collection of those data, then it will be very much. But the parts inside the CPU will work in every data process, and your data will be processed. Your brain is a CPU, and the data you are storing inside, which means what you are learning is the capabilities of your brain. You can store unlimited data. This learning ability is said to be that a human being uses only 10% of his brain. This does not mean that a person uses 10% of his brain part. This is a big confusion. While you also know your CPU is 100% used in processing data. A human being has many things to learn and we have no limits. While we're bound by a lot of boundaries, for this reason we cannot use 100% of our brains, even if you want to. Your brain has limited learning capabilities. Will you ever learn unlimited abilities? No. You cannot learn unlimited abilities, and if you learn the known abilities, then how will you be able to learn the unknown abilities? Friends, we do not say that you should not try to increase your brain's abilities, but you should make full use of the abilities of your mind. Your mind should learn what it wants. Use these tips to increase the use of your brain. Create interest in every work. Keep learning continuously. Learn to think. Try to be the best in every task. Keep your mind as busy as possible. Get used to writing and reading. Play brain games to use 100% of your brain. Try meditation for increasing brain power. Always think positive. If you use those methods, you will definitely feel the changes inside your mind and you will feel that you are changing. Hope you guys liked the video. Do comment your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe the channel as it helps a lot.